All right, so here we are with Unit 1, Subchapter 02. And now we're going to focus on numbers. So here's the PowerPoint. Again, I will start putting this entire lecture video into the beginning of the PowerPoint so that they're both there. You can hopefully view it many different ways. So numbers. We're going to be talking about the cardinal numbers 1 to 10, and start with the sign for number is this. Kind of like you've got all the fingertips together, and you just touch it one side, chunk, 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 chunk. I don't know why, it just is. So number. Okay. Like we did with name, it's 2 taps. Same thing with number, 1, 2. All right. So I included the video from the book in here so you can see. It's going to caution you to do one thing that I'm going to tell you not to worry about. It will come on its own, and the book emphasizes it as if it's a hugely important thing. It really isn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The book emphasizes that you should have the back of your hand out when you're signing 1 to 5. In the cardinal sense, counting one through whatever. So 1 through 5. But really, it doesn't have to. You will see people do this with the palm forward. For right now, it's a rule you don't have to worry about. Everybody knows you're ASL1. Everybody knows you're just learning. From the moment they meet you and start signing with you, they know that you are working to learn the language and where you are, what stage. So I would say don't worry about it. It will make sense later that there's a difference between this and this. But for right now, I would say don't worry about it. Work on just learning the hand shapes for the numbers. So I will most often do it with the palm back towards myself. You will get corrected by people who just, that's what they like to do, is find mistakes. When we get deeper into ASL, it will make sense why the palm of the hand is back. But so 1, 2, here's the catch. 3, it's with the thumb. Okay, so it's not 3. 1, 2, 3. That's going to take a lot of getting used to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far, so good, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, we turn and the palm is forward. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So it's the pinkies, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pinky up to index finger. 6, 7, 8, 9. The book will emphasize going double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap. Again, I don't see that happening all that often out in the wild. When I grew up, as I was learning sign, it was so pushing forward was emphasis. Either way, what you're saying is it's 9, not any of the other numbers that it could be. 19. There's a couple different ways of signing 19, 18. So that's the clarity, is that it's this. 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have to watch that again. I think I did that wrong. Anyway, so 6. So again, this isn't 3. This is 6. 6, 7. 7 is the ring finger. 8 is the middle finger. 9, okay. And then 10. 10 is an A that you sort of twist. It's good advice that they give. It is very specific. And this subunit, really, that's all we're going to look at, is this. So we have to learn those 10 numbers, and then the sign for number, for the category number. We're going to move quickly through numbers, because once you get past 25, everything's pretty uniform. There's a set pattern, you follow it, and it's easy. So that's all that 1.2 is. Then there's some homework in the book. One thing is an exercise to sign with him, and it kind of goes back and forth. The goal is to try to get to the next sign before he does, and then check that you're doing it right. Then it says circle the number in the book, you could circle the number. If you don't have the book or you don't want to write in the book, you could just guess it from here. And then I put the answers. I put the answers down below, and I do two. I guess I need two of those. Okay. Then there's another one here where it's going to be write the number, and I forget who it is that does it, but they're going to give you numbers, and you just write down what number it was in there. And I did the answers down below too, and then I put down as the final video all of the videos for this unit, including some vocab and stuff like that. So you should be able to look at everything that's in there and have it all in one place. Cool. So that's 1.2. It's a really short unit, but it's the foundation for all the numbers. Great. All right. Well, I will get working on 0.3.